For this video, let's step into a calm moment of strategy where history waits for your command and explore how to play a single-player match in 0 AD. When you open the game, you'll arrive at the main menu. From here, click on Single Player. Once inside, you'll see several options, each offering a different way to experience the game. To play a single-player match, select Matches, then choose your civilization, map, difficulty, and other game settings. From here, you can see your name and AI name, civilization, and team. So, set your match setup. Choose colors, set your AI configuration, especially the AI difficulty, AI player, and AI behavior, and click OK. In your civilization, choose among the options of what civilization you like to be, and for your AI also. Teams, how many numbers you like to be in the team. In your map type, you choose among the options, skirmish, random, and scenario. As you notice, every time you select in map, there will changes in your match setup, such as the total number of players added. You can check and uncheck among these options, disable treasures, explored map, revealed map, and allied view for your map. In player, set how much population cap will be, starting resource, disable spies and cheats. And for game type, set it up on what you desired. Once everything is ready, click Start Game and wait for the match to load. As the game begins, build your economy, train units, and expand your territory at your own pace. Single-player mode gives you the freedom to learn, experiment, and grow without pressure. In this quiet unfolding of strategy, every decision becomes part of your empire's story. And that's how to play a single-player match in 0 AD. Thank you for watching.